Whether you're celebrating Valentine's or Galentine's Day, which I just learned was a thing like not long ago, our resident beauty expert, Michelle Phillips, is here to talk about the importance of self-care, which will ultimately make you look like $1,000,000 for an upcoming special day. How are you?
I'm great.
I should say Michelle Phillips, who always looks like $1,000,000.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. I paid her well to say that.
Aw, no way.
No way. Honestly, I always say, if you don't feel good, you're not going to look good, no matter what you do for your outer appearance. And so it's really important that we take time out for ourselves. And most of us think that that's a selfish thing to do.
Yeah, and we don't make the time to do it because we're so busy that it's like, oh, that's the last thing on the list. And you're saying it doesn't need to be, it shouldn't be that way.
It shouldn't be that way. You should put yourself on your to-do list and learn to say no every once in a while, which is really hard, but you can practice that, so that you can take time to recharge your batteries. And so when it pertains to beauty, I have some ideas that you can incorporate into your beauty routine that will also be self-care.
I love it. Let's go ahead and kick things off. I'm looking at little soap.
Yes, this is an all-natural, vegan-free. I am giving this to you because I wish we had smell-o-vision today.
Oh,
doesn't that smell amazing?
Oh, yes.
This is Ripen Minds Alive Soap, and this contains citrus-based oils that are essential oils that help relieve stress. And it has olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, grapefruit, orange, and key lime essential oils. It is fantastic, all natural and vegan.
I'll say I should hold it up to Michelle because I've got coffee breath. So Lisa's kind of like battles that. We'll go like this the rest of the time.
Well, no, and then here's another one you can smell too.
Deal. I like this time.
So this is John Masters Organics, and he is fantastic because he started the first organic, pretty much like chemical-free salon in New York 25 years ago. He's celebrating a 25-year anniversary to where his products are all natural, safe, and I love this. 15,000 rose petals went into each tube to create the rose and apricot hair mask. Incredible. This is a deep conditioning formula that helps balance moisture levels, repairs split ends, also cleanses the scalp, and it contains organic rose water, avocado butter, and organic apricot kernel oil, and it smells delicious. So to me, to put this on your hair, let it sit, give your hair a nice drink of moisture, a nice hair mask, relax. It's phenomenal because of the aromatherapy that goes along with it. And then also you can follow up with the hair milk, which is a leave-in moisturizer and styling product.
You know, I've always wondered when I see things about rose petals being in products. So I'm glad you talked about the benefits today because that was one thing I never understood, let alone that many in one product is pretty awesome.
We all know about rose water being very healing too. So love that.
There we go.
Also, you know, it's really good for the mind as well as the hair while you're putting it on because it just relaxes you with that wonderful aroma. Okay, now, the next thing I want to talk about, this is so cool.
Wait till you hear this.
Okay, so this is Sarah Miracle. This is an Ageless Delight beauty chocolate supplement. Okay?
Chocolate, everybody.
Chocolate supplement. This chocolate is cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and it's sugar-free and allergen-free. It's organic South American dark chocolate that carries, what it contains is phytoceramides as well as other ingredients and incredible antioxidants that has been clinically proven to help improve skin elasticity, moisture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 6 weeks of use.
No one's seeing me do this.
Yes,
right?
exactly. My husband and I are like, you're kidding, this is amazing. So yeah, so have a little chocolate, indulge, relax, treat yourself. That's a little me time, and anti-aging at the same time. Is that not the coolest?
I am, like, seriously, I had no idea this even existed. I am loving this.
Yum. Is it good? I think it is, but what do you think? Very good? Okay.
Now you have to do the rest of the segment because I'm indulging.
Yes, enjoying that. Also, you know, it's always fun to sit and do your nails and relax. Take some time for yourself. If you have small children, of course, you might want to lock yourself in your bathroom because my kids used to always love to grab my nail polish too. But this,
I've got one of those, I think, coming on my hands, let me tell you.
This is great for Valentine's. I love these colors. It's OPI's newest collection called Tokyo. Beautiful shades of pinks and purples to beautify your nails no matter what your plans are for Valentine's Day.
I love that.
Yeah, so
and we always hear your expertise. We're always driving you crazy, I'm sure, with all of your questions. Your questions are answered in a book, by the way, that we need to point out.
Absolutely, and I appreciate viewers are emailing me on through my website, michellephillips.com, and if you go to my website, there's a free download for the first 2 chapters of my book, The Beauty Blueprint, which was a bestseller for 30 weeks in 6 countries, and I offer tips on how to take care of yourself as well as outer beauty tips. So
good stuff.
Head to my website.
Thank you. Thank you. This has been a real treat.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.